Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering devices and confirming the remote is responsive, because an unresponsive remote wastes time. Insert new batteries and make sure the AC is set to standby with a visible infrared window. This ensures commands register. Once done, locate the Universal Remotes Code List or app and identify the probable brand code for your AC model. This narrows the search. Make sure to stand within 3 meters. Proximity and correct orientation improve the first code, attempt's chance of. Now you'll program the remote. Choose either direct code entry or auto search depending on what you found. For code entry, press and hold SET until the LED locks, enter the code digits, then test power. If the AC responds, save the code. If no code, use auto search. Press the search or power hunt key and slowly cycle through codes while watching the AC for a response. Once the unit responds, immediately press Save or OK so the remote remembers the working code and you don't lose it. Finish by verifying every control works because a saved power code alone isn't enough. Test temperature, mode, fan speed, and swing to confirm full compatibility. If a function fails, try alternate codes for the same brand and make sure the remote is aimed within 1 to 3 meters. Glass or obstructions can block IR. If nothing works, reset the remote to factory and repeat the auto search. This clears glitches. Key troubleshooting tip: replace batteries and retry. Weak batteries often cause incomplete programming.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.